Today concept name is reflection API. Very important concept. Small concepts, but it very important. Reflection API. Reflection API. What do you mean by reflection API? API means application programming interface. API means application programming interface. API contains a set of predefined classes. API contains some set of predefined classes. Among them, one of the class method class. API contains some set of predefined classes. Among them, one of the class method class. What is the method class? Method class is very useful class. Method class reference can hold any other method in the specified class. So definition somewhat difficult, but concept is very easy. Method class reference can hold any other method in the specified class using same reference. Using same reference, we can hold. Using same reference, we can invoke that method. We can invoke that method. So method invoke that method. Method class reference can hold any other method in the specified class. Using same reference, we can invoke that method. That is a method class reference. So, or we can say simply using method class reference. Using method class reference, we can call the start function from another class. Starting function from another class. Here notes. If it is non-static function, if you want to call in the same class, or another class, compulsory we need to create the reference. Compulsory we need to create the reference. We need to create the reference. We need to create the object. We need to create the object reference. Simple. If it is non-static function, if you want call in same class or if you want call from another class, compulsory we need to create the object. So if it is non-static, if you want to call in same function or if you want to call in same class or another class, compulsory we need to create the object. Second note, if it is static function, if you want call from in same class, if you want calling same class. Directly we can call. If you want call from another class, we need to follow some syntax. That is class name dot function. Class name dot function. Directly we can call that function. Class name dot function name. Class name dot function name. Directly we can call that function. So using method class reference, so we can call the static function from another class. So that is one way. So this is the second way is mass. Second way is mass. This way is mass. So that is the method class. Using method class reference, we can call a static function from another class. So directly we can use method class, or directly we can use this one. So that is the reflection API we will discuss now. Reflection API. Go to SRC, take the new class. Class name is API. I am taking class name is API. Just I am taking class only. I am writing one function. Concentrate public static void login. I am taking one function public static void login. SYSO control space. Login here. I wrote one function, simple function, login static function I wrote here. Save. Go to SRC, take the new class. Class name is something. Ref. Keep the mark public start void mean click on finish. String is equal to class name is login. Right. Method reference name m equal to, I want to call the login function. So login function I wrote in API class. So keep API. How many I's? AP triple A. So AP triple A. Class name is AP triple A. Yes. So method class name equal to class name, previous class name AP triple I dot class dot get method S are stored in S. So that's the reason I'm writing S. M dot invoke M. Enough. We can call that functions from here. After writing the code, so we can get exception. Add throws declaration. Here we can get 5 exceptions. No such method exception, security exception, illegal access exception, illegal argument exception, invocation target exception. So two exceptions already came. Just keep the cursor on underline, add throws declaration, illegal access, illegal argument, invocation target exception. So we can get 5 exceptions here. Yesterday concept we got only one exception, that is IO exception and file not found exception. So here we need to add 5 exceptions. So why we can get exceptions? Method is a predefined class. Yesterday also we used some predefined classes like file reader, buffer reader, file reader, buffer reader. So whenever using predefined classes, automatically we need to add some exceptions. We need to add some exceptions. We need to add some exceptions. So here, some exceptions, no such method exception, security exception, illegal access exception, illegal argument exception, invocation target exception. These are the 5 exceptions. These are the 5 exceptions, very, very important concept. Or otherwise, already I told you another way, mass way. So if you want comment, so just simple we can comment it. Class name, previous class name, APII dot function name, login. So there are two ways. Using method class, we can call that function, or otherwise we can call this one. We can use syntax. Previous class name dot function name. Previous class name dot function. Previous class name dot function. Okay, right. This is one way. Comment this one. So this is mass. Always we can get it. Next. I want to call another function multiple arguments. So go and declare here. I am writing another function here. Simple, very very easy. Public static void add and taking here arguments into A, comma, into B. Two arguments I am taking. So simple, directly we can write it SYSO control space A plus B, or C equal to A plus B, whatever you want you can write it. Directly I want to write A plus B. Right. I wrote one function, two arguments. Now I want to call this function from another class. So come to concept. So here same to same, copy, control V. Function name is add. Reference name change it S1, M1, S1, comma, into dot class, comma, into dot class. Both are integers. So I want to pass the integers. Right. Now M comma 10 comma 20. Now it will be answer is 30. Right. Save. Click on run. What's wrong here? Something. S1, S1, S1 into class M1. Okay. Save. Click on run. So login here. Second one is 30. Okay. Next, I want to declare another function. Cop. String. Now I am taking string. String A comma string B. A plus B. I give function name. What is that function name? Add same function I am writing str. Add str. Any name you can give it. Say come copy control add str. Function name is str. Reference name change is s2 m2 s2. So here we should give string. That is the difference. String class, string class. So reference name m2 string. We should give string Akhil. String ready. Akhil ready. Save. Click on Akhil ready. So this is the concept of reflection API. Or so if we follow this syntax, if we follow this all are commented. How we can write? Tell me. How we can write? Simple. AP double I sorry triple I dot add 10 comma 20. Enough. Next AP triple I dot add UAP. Whatever you want to write it. Add str. Right. Save. Click on it. Same. Okay. That is the method class. This is the master. So there are two ways. So if you want to use method class, we can use it. So method class here, whenever you using method class, then only we can get number of exceptions. Without method class, we can't get these exceptions. These exceptions are very important. These exceptions are very important. That is the reason we learned this concept of reflection API. API is nothing but it contains some set of predefined classes. Among them, one of the class